Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into Synchrony bank account from your computer. Watch the tutorial video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to begin. To log into your Synchrony bank account, you'll need to type in the URL www.synchrony.com in the URL box and press enter on a keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official web page of Synchrony, which looks like this. From the main home page, click on the Find Account button at the top of the screen and select your account type from the display. Choose one of the options from where you'd like to log into your account. In my case, I'm going to log into my savings account, so let me click on this saving products drop down. You can choose any other area if you'd like to get access to it from the options and enter the credentials that has been asked to you. Now once you click on this drop down, click on Account Access button in order to log to an existing account, but if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to click on Open an Account and follow the registration process. To get logged in and manage your account, click on Account Access and this will open up a new tab. You'll be taken to the login area. Go to the first text box and enter your username in the first text box that is associated with your Synchrony online banking account. Once you enter your username, if you'd like the system to remember the particular username in this particular device so that you won't have to type it in again and again next time logging in, click on this Remember Username box. But leave it unchecked if you're using a public device or a shared device. Once you enter your username, go to the next field where it says password and type in your password correct. In case you don't remember your username, you can click on Forgot Username link and follow the instructions so that you can look for your username that is associated with your Synchrony online banking account. Similarly, if you happen to forget your password during login in, you can click on this password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After entering your credentials correct and you're ready to log in, click Sign in yellow and you'll be able to log into your Synchrony bank account from your desktop quick and easy. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.